Okay, a quick update on where my remote climate fix is. The parts still haven't come in basically, so I'm still waiting for the HVAC inverter, and the recall update 220027 is dependent on the inverter in my car. I'm not saying it's the same in everyone's car, but in mine I'm waiting for that. And I'm also waiting for the ultrasonic intrusion alarm, which is set to come in June, and I'm waiting on the fix for the wiring assembly interference with the amplifier. So mine's not going to be fixed for a few weeks at this rate. Also, it's worthwhile going back for people who've just got an Ev6 around the world and in North America, for example, of all of the fixes we've had so far. So going back to December, I had a fix applied by the dealer to the ABS traction control software, because even in my test drive I was getting juddering at high speeds at 60 miles an hour on the rear wheel drive. So that fixed that, and I've noticed on some forums that some American drivers are reporting that, but I think it's the same thing. There was also an earlier HVAC software update which is done by the dealer, which is applied to mine, which didn't fix the remote climate. And also selected VINs, certain cars had the HVAC inverter swap because heater was randomly failing to heat on long journeys. Mine's always been alright, and I'm going to do everything manually. But they decided to swap mine now along with the new 220027 software update to cure the remote climate. There was an ECU update to stop the zombie mode. Zombie mode was if you pressed the power button without properly pressing the foot brake, it went into accessory mode and people were getting stuck in it and trying to drive the car and couldn't get it going. Basically, you just had to power it off and power it back on again. But they've changed the logic to help improve things on that. And then January, I think, there's a fix for the floor wiring to avoid interference with amp assembly. I'm still waiting on that. The replacement of the ultrasonic alarm module to stop random activation, which I'm still waiting on. And obviously the HVAC software update for 220027, that's the campaign number. I'm waiting on that, and obviously the replacement HVAC inverter. I've also read recently that a software update for part of the Meridian system is on its way. There'll be another dealer update, but I've not seen that confirmed anywhere apart from just one post on a forum, so I can't confirm that one. But it would be nice because people tend to complain that it hasn't got much oomph, but I find it really clear, and you can adjust the levels on some of your devices like Android Auto. That helps, but I don't know, we'll see. Anyway, that's the end of the update. Thanks.